Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install XUMO on your Firestick absolutely free. XUMO is other platform that you use to watch live TV channels, but the features that make it different is XUMO completely free. This app does not require a user to purchase their premium membership or create an account to watch their content. All you need to do is just install the app and start watching live TV channels, movies, documentaries, and much more free of cost. So the XUMO application is officially available on Amazon App Store, but it is restricted in several countries, so make sure to use VPN while downloading or using. Let's download the app. So first of all, what you have to do, where to find, slide down and click on search. Now type here XUMO. When you type XUMO, suggestion list appear. So slide down and click on XUMO free movies and TV. And here click on XUMO icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire Stick. So just click on download button and the XUMO app start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So here as you can see, XUMO TV has been installed. Now select open to launch. So guys, this is the home screen of XUMO TV. Here you can watch your favorite movies, TV shows, live TV, free movies and on-demand videos. And also you can see left hand side menu. In this menu you will find live TV, free movies, on-demand videos and mobile content. So guys, you can use this method to download XUMO TV on your Amazon Fire Stick device, and I hope this video is real for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.